In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off storage sense on your Acer laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu, search for storage, best match, come back with storage settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then on the right side, underneath storage management, automatically free up space, delete temporary files, and manage locally available cloud content. Toggle that on or off depending on your preference, and that's all you have to do. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.